It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
This is going to be just a look at. This is a New York City bus. We purchased it for a friend of ours that just retired. And we I'm going to do a video on it. So if you're in the same situation where you would like to get a gift for a former New York City Transit bus employee, maybe you can consider this. Pretty cool looking item. Comes like this. Let me open it up here. I guess I could, okay. That is pretty cool. So I'm gonna bring it up nice and close so you can get a detailed look at it. This is so cool. I don't know if that's a real bus line. If you know below, please let me know. Okay, let me see if I can now take it out without doing too much damage. So this is the way you open it. Let me cut this right here. And this right here. Then you got to, what was the other one? Okay, we take this out. Yeah. I'm trying to open it and then put it back the way it came. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and then I just have to separate it here. That way I don't break the box, and I can show you a close-up look of the box. Okay. Oh, that's cute. That has a bus-only lane. Okay. This is is the other side. Plastic. These are like molded plastic air vents. That's pretty cool. I guess you can take that out later. These are free. And this kind of rolls itself. Oh, you can take it out. We're gonna put it back later when we have to pack it back up. Cool. This is really, really cool. Let me see if I could see. Oh, let me just show you the back really quickly. And that's a real bus number. M4. It should be a legitimate number. Let me see if I can get that license plate. Okay. That's the license plate on it. And the back. Just let me measure it. Let me see if I can see in the inside. Nothing. I can't get my finger in there, so just can't see. I wish I could open this up, but it's pretty cool. It's not metal, so let me see how much it weighs. You can get an idea of the build. I think it's cute. I think he's gonna get a kick out of it, and it's just you know, one of there's many choices on Amazon that I saw. It would have been nice to get this totally metal, but I can't even imagine how something like that would cost. And I don't know. I bought the one I thought looked the best. It's all plastic, and it's up to you if you like it. Let me just make sure I got all details. There's the light. I didn't show you the front. That's the front of the bus. I showed you the bottom. This is the other side. So I hope he gets a kick out of it. All right, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This was a look at. Oh, I'm sorry. Before I go. Okay. I hope I'm doing this right. All right. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Make sure to like and subscribe.